Yo, what up everybody, SlyDemon here, and today we have a sports card centering tool and magnifying glass, and I think maybe something else. Take a look. Alrighty, so looks like we got a mini magnifying glass. Looks like we got a big magnifier. We'll see what this is. Looks like a charging. And here we go. We have our tool reader. With a cloth. A couple cloths. Alright, cool. Let's check it out. So I got these, so I could inspect my cards better, get PSA 10s. Maybe even get a Beckett to Black Label. So yeah, we'll see. Alrighty, so let's start with the big magnifying glass. Okay, looks like you can tilt it like that. This part tilts as well. Let's see, where's the charging port? Doesn't look like there's one. Looks like a battery, honestly. Let's see. Yep. 3 AAA batteries. Okay, cool. Maybe there's a light. Yeah, look at this. We got some lights too to look at the cards. Very nice. I'll have to get some batteries. What's the charging cable for? I don't know. Alright, cool. We got that. Let's check out the mini magnifying glass. Comes in a nice little case. Alright, cool. Nice little mini magnifying glass. So I could actually get in there. Look for any deviations in the card. Kind of cool. There we go. Flip it the other way. Okay, cool. Zoom in. How's this puppy work? Oh, wow. Yeah. How much of that magnifies it? See any dots. Nice. Alright, cool. So far, so cool. Alright. Now, let's see what this thing is. It's all wrapped up. Alright, looks like a pair of black gloves. I really don't like wearing gloves on cards because it might get caught and then bend your card a little bit. Looks like something spilled here. Yeah, maybe needs to get washed. Okay, yeah, I'm not a fan of gloves anyway, so whatever. Alright, so say we got a Trevor Lawrence card right here, right? Let's actually pull it out. This Trevor Lawrence base. Alright, so got it pulled out. Say I want to look at the card. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, so the thing about Select is you're going to get the divots in the card, so you can easily see those divots with the big magnifying glass, and when it lights up, it's going to be phenomenal. Alright, let's take a look at the smaller magnifying glass now. Okay, wow. Details in card never knew I would see. Alright, I like it. Now let's use the centering tool here. The main reason I got this. Alright, so here is the sports card grading tool. Comes with a laminate over it. Okay, so here is what we've got. Now let's see, I'll put this here. So you can see the colors. Do you have anything? I picked this one because the colors too, the easier to differentiate each line. Okay, so let's center it up. So we'll just use Trevor Lawrence as an example, right? Base card not getting sent in at all. So let's put the card in the corners, right? Yeah, there we go. So now we just follow the lines. This is actually a really good cut card. Okay, so looking at it, Select is at the 4. It's at the 2 there. Okay, so this is not a good cut. It looked like it was good, but no. This side is way thinner. It's at a 2 on the side, and the side's at a 4. So, comes with a grading scale. I'm actually going to have to read how to use it. But, 2, 4. I guess your first numbers are 2, and then, I don't know. I'll have to read it. Bold glow indicates 64 to reader. 60/40. Maybe that's a little bit better. Yeah, so we got blue, red, and black. Alright, dashed even numbers, followed odd numbers. Alright, so this one's for sports cards. I'm getting one for Pokemon and TCG cards later, because you know how they have that curved edge? Like this, the round edges. So I'll get a grader for these coming in. So I'm excited about that because I got a lot of these cards. Okay, cool. I'm going to put the link in the description below, so if anybody wants to buy it, use this link. Yeah, actually, I'm really stoked about this. Oh, so there is a plug too for rechargeable. Let's see, do I have a plug anywhere? What kind of plug is this? USB? No, I don't. It's one thing I'm out of USBs, darn. Okay. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, all the cool stuff. Click the link, buy this. I actually think it's a good set. All right. Thank you.